Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or block voice memos to access location on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, scroll down, and in here, tap on Voice Memos. At the top here, tap on Location. Then from here, you can choose Never to switch it off, to grant or allow voice memos to access location. You can select Ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.